Hi, my name is Michaela. I'm the director for On Call Counsel. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our clients. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for legal secretaries. Some responsibilities include providing secretarial support to one or more lawyers at the firm, editing and proofreading all legal documents, maintaining attorney calendars by scheduling conferences, depositions, and meetings, as well as researching and authenticating important case information. If you have a high school diploma or equivalent, an associate's degree in legal studies or a related field, in-depth knowledge of legal documents and terminology, as well as a minimum of 3 years experience in a similar role, you could be a great fit.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, as is our client, so this opening probably won't last long. Please apply as soon as possible, and we're looking forward to meeting you.